If you're ready to lick the pan, lick the plate, then you are in the right place, because these spicy garlic honey chicken strips gonna having you sucking on everything. You hear me? So the first thing I did was take a few chicken breasts and I sliced them up into strips. Just cut them evenly. Now, you can go and purchase the chicken strips, chicken tenders all already how it is. But, you know, do what your pockets can do. You feel me? Now, with me, I'm going to slice them things up. But then you're going to season them. So I decided to season with my usual concoction. Garlic powder, onion powder, chicken bouillon powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, and some celery seed. You know, since I am using quite a bit of spices, I'm going to give it a little mixed bits bodits before I add my cornstarch and baking powder. Now, all of my exact measurements will be listed in the side of the description box for your convenience, okay? Because I'm sweet. But like everything, your kitchen, your world, this step is season to your taste and add about a tablespoon and some change of cornstarch and baking powder. So now you're going to take whatever cooking oil that you want to use and you're going to bring it to a 350 to 375 degrees, and you're just going to go ahead and cook your strips. Now, I do recommend that you don't crowd your pan, because just like anything you're cooking, once you put your chicken inside of this grease, it's going to drop the temperature quite a few degrees, and you want the crispiest chicken that you can get, okay? So once I cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, I'm just going to flip it over and let it continue to cook. Please cook your chicken all the way through until it is completely done. Please. Okay, go ahead and get your chicken cooking, okay? So once your chicken is done, this is how it's going to look. Y'all see how it looks so juicy? Do y'all see that juice pouring up out these chicken breasts? Now, you can do the same thing with wings, but baby, look at that juice. Juicy. But anyway, so once your chicken get done, go ahead and put it on a line, baking sheet, bowl, or whatever, because you do need that grease to drain. Don't be up here just sucking down grease too. Okay. Now you're about to move on to your sauce. Now, one thing about this sauce, if you ready for a proposal, I mean, she will propose to you. He will propose to you immediately after you make this sauce. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get you some butter. Now, y'all know it's in this big old iron skillet, because that's how we cook. Okay, so you got you some butter, and y'all see that chicken on the side? Y'all see how that chicken is looking? Don't play with me. All right, let's get back to the man-catching sauce. You're going to add you about 2 tablespoons and some change of minced garlic. And then the secret to make it taste restaurant style, that Zatarain's crab boil. When I tell you that Zatarain's crab boil going to have you licking that lap plate, you're going to be like, what's that? What's that taste? Zatarain's. There it is. Add you about a cap or 2 of that. Now, if you want a little bit more spicy, add more than 2 caps. But I think 2 caps were perfect for someone that kind of like a little spice, but not too spicy. It'll be perfect. Now, go ahead and let that thing simmer. I did add a little bit of dried parsley because, you know, fry a little fancy every now and then. Now, if you got fresh parsley, go ahead and add that to spruce it up a bit. But you know, us around here, us around these parts, yeah, we ain't doing all that, honey. We finna have dry. But now I'm about to just go ahead and pour me some honey over there. As you guys can see, I allowed my ancestors to lead me into adding these ingredients. And I suggest that's what you should do. It just tastes better because it's like it's coming from your ancestry, your culture. You know what I'm saying? But go ahead and mix your honey in there or your agave if you want to be all fancy. And let that thing simmer. And we're just going to take a moment to appreciate this chicken right here. Amen. And now you're going to go ahead and take that sauce, that spicy garlic honey sauce. Now, you must ain't hear me, honey. I said that spicy, that garlic, that buttery honey sauce. And drizzle that thing up over that chicken. And baby, that's what it turns out to be right there. Look at this chicken. Now, next time, I'm going to put these things on some chicken wings. And you ain't going to be able to tell me nothing. So the moral of the story is, look how juicy these chicken strips are. Look how juicy they are. Honey, don't play with us. Don't play with us. Come on in. Come on in. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you. And of course, oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. This is a good old ticker-tocker video, okay? Look at that chicken. Let's just let... Ashe. All right, then. Over prayer, over with. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. And as always, I'm going to talk to you on my next video, girl.